Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. And I am back to teach another line dance. It's called I Want It. It is a two-wall dance, two parts and a tag. I'm going to give you the step-by-step instructions. But before I do, if you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instructions. If you want to dance along to the music, watch till the end and I'll post it right here. Are you ready? Let's get busy. All right, so let's start at this wall. I'm gonna start at this wall because I dance on this wall here, okay? So we always seeing each other's footwork side by side. So the first part starts with your weight on the left and you're gonna tap back on your right. Tap, tap, out, right, left, right. Then you're going to tap back on your left. Tap, tap, out, left, right, left. Again, right, right, out, triple, right, left, left, out, left, right, left. You're going to shuffle up 3 times. Right, left, right, left, right, left, left, right. Again, shuffle up 3 times. Right, left, right, left, 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 right. Okay, let's put it together. 5, 6, 7. Tap it back on the right. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Left, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 3 shuffle. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Okay, from here, you're going to do footwork on the right. Footwork on the right. Front, side together, back together. And tap on the left. Front, side, together, back, together. When I come together on that second time, I put my weight on the right and then tap left. This is how I look. 5 and 6 and 7, tap. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Tap on the left, okay? Let's put it together. 5, 6, 7. Tap back. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Left, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 3 shuffle. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and 1, 2. All right? Now, the weight is on the left. We're going to do a double tap on the left. Tap back on the left, just like we did on the right. Left, left, out. Left, right, left. Right, right, out. Right, left, right. So we're going to shuffle up on the left. Instead of doing 3 shuffles like we did on the right, we're going to do 2. Left, right, left. Right, left, right. So we tap back on the left. Left, left, out. Left, right, left. Back, right, right, out. Right, left, right. Shuffle, left, right, left. Right, left, right. And we're going to do the footwork. We're going to go front, side, together, left, sway. And that's going to go side rock recover part 2. So in part 1, we go on the left, front, side, together, left, right. And that's that in part 1, going into part 2. Left, front, side, together, left, right. In part 1, going into part 2. So let's put the entire piece together. From the top, back on the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Left, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 3 shuffle. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and 1, 2. Left, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Right, 7 and 8. 1 and 2. Shuffle. 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Left, right. Part 2. 7 and 8. Left, right. So we go left, sway. Right, left, sway. Left, right, sway. Right, left, right. Side, rock, recover. Left, side, rock, recover. Right, side, rock, recover. left, right, left. So you slightly do, you're doing a slight turn, and then on the triple, you straighten it up. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Left, 5, 6, 7, and 8. From here, so you're just going to do one on the right, one on the left. Then you're going to sweep back 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to pony up. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Then you're going to do a step drag. On the left, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. So what did we do? Part 2. Side rock, recover. Side rock, recover, triple step. Side rock, recover, triple step. Sweep back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, then 7, and 8. Left, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Did we pony up? Pony. 5, then 6, then 7, and 8. Left, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yes. We're going to end up on the right. Okay? And then we got to do our turn and we start over again. All right? So let's put it all together. 5, 6 from the very, very top. 5, 6, tap it back. Here we go. 1, out, 2, triple, 3, and 4. Left, 5, out, 6, 7, 3, shuffle. 1 and 2, left, 3 and 4, right, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and 1. Left, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 2 shuffle. Upside together, left, right, right, left, right, and sway. Sweep it back. 1, 2, 3, pony up. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Left, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now here's your turn, because it's a 2-wall dance. So we're going to rock for 5. So we step on the left. The last step was on the right. We step on the left. Left shoulder come forward. Left, right, left, right, left. Okay? Then we're going to tap on the left. I know we stepped on the left, but we're going to tap on the left. Tap, tap, double tap on the left. So this is how it looks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tap, tap. When I tap, my heel is up. Then I'm going to go left, right, left in the dance. Okay, I need to be on my right. So I'm at my new wall, the dance starts over. So let's put it together. 5, 6, 7 from the top. Tap 1 and 2, 3 and 4, left, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, up 1 and 2, up 3 and 4, up 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1. Tap 2, left, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, right, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, shuffle 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, left, sway, right, left, sway, left and sweep, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left. Tap, tap, left, right, left. All right, from here, the dance starts over. Okay, so I'm going to go through this part at the second wall because we go into our tag. So that was just 2 parts we did at 1 wall. Part 1 and part 2. So we at our second wall. It's a 2-wall dance. So let's start the dance over. On the right, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, left, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Shuffle 1 and 2. Shuffle 3 and 4. Shuffle 5 and 6, 7 and 8 8 and 1. Tap 2, double 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, shuffle 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, left 5, 6, 7 and 8, sweep 1, 2, 3, 4, pony 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, left 1, 2, 3 and 4, right 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now, your turn this time will be your right shoulder come forward. Remember, the first time we did this turn, the left shoulder come forward. We still gonna step on the left, but the right shoulder gonna come forward, making a half turn. Left, right, left, right, left, tap, tap, left, right, left. Okay? So we did 2 full rotations on the full front and the back wall. Okay? When we made that turn, the left shoulder came forward the first time, half turn. Left, right, left, right, left. Tap, tap. The second time we complete this rotation at this wall, the right shoulder come forward, stepping on the left. Left, right, left, right, left. Tap, tap, left, right, left. Okay, now we're on our third rotation. Trying to get you to the tag. We tapping out again. Tap, tap, out, right, left, tap, tap, out, left, right, left, right, left, right, front, side, out, and tap, tap, left, out, left, right, out, right, left, left, right. This is where your tag gonna come. Okay, so what I did is, my third rotation, which is the second time I come to this wall, I did what I had to do on the right and I did it on the left. It doesn't change. This part right here on the left, when you go front, side, together, left, sway, triple step, and sway, that's when the tag comes in. Okay? So we're gonna get to this part. Front, side, together, left, sway, quarter turn, roll, roll. The music slows down. So we're gonna actually make that quarter turn. Then the left comes back, half turn, sway, roll, roll. Then we do a quarter turn, roll, roll. And we do it by doing like a kickstand, okay? The turn. So we go front, side, together, left, right, quarter turn, roll, roll, kickstand on the left, half turn, sway, sway, kickstand. On the left, quarter turn, kickstand half. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap, tap, out. Triple step. All right, and it's going to end on that part. You finish it up, the same thing. So your tag is going to come in on the third rotation. So the part on the left where you go front, side together and sway with a triple and a sway with a triple, you're not going to do that. You're going to go front, side together and quarter turn, roll, roll, kickstand half, roll, roll, kickstand quarter, the left shoulder coming back, and kickstand slow, half turn, and the dance starts over. Tap, tap, out, triple step. So what I want you to do is watch the demo and you know exactly what I'm talking about. And every part of this dance, I've given you the step and you're able to put it together. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. I love the music. The name of the dance is called I Want It. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.